fight?
Dominic Cruz, Kid Yamamoto. And here we go. Looping hook there. Answered by a big body shot. 1, 2, let's go. He's mixing it up very nicely with the kicks and punches. Good takedown. Man, those are knockout punches, Joe. Vicious punches from the top, Mike.
He's staying on top of him, controlling the position.
He ain't that one.
There's a bit of a cut here on Cruz. Pushes him off of the feet, and he lets him back up.
Wants the single. Almost stopped.
He won't come forward. Stand in the middle.
Inside leg kick. Oh, big kick.
Working your angles.
Oh, big head kick.
No.
Big right hand. Nice knee to the body. Good takedown defense. Boom.
Keep moving.
Well over 2 minutes remains in round number 1. Nice counter.
I want 2 lives.
Oh, but he ate a left hand. He shoots. Again, the takedown is stuffed. Double underhooks.
Body shot when you're in that tight.
Oh, suplex. Very nice. Under 90 seconds remains in round 1.
Come on. Not too half guard. Hit him from half guard.
Just over a minute remains.
You go now. You go. Kick him off and get up to your feet.
Stop. Stand up.
It's pretty much a stalemate. Yeah, he's going to stand him up.
Once you get him moving,
Here we go.
Fight.
stick to the game plan. Make him reach to the
Ducking in and counters that nicely. He caught the leg, and down he goes.
20 seconds. Throw your low kick.
Good sprawl.
Lead uppercut.
Oh, nice knee. Wow. Perfectly timed, perfectly placed.
Don't throw while he's backing up.
Yamamoto is fatigued here, Mike.
Round 1 complete. Both fighters showing some pretty effective stand-up striking, Joe.
Yeah, they seem to have no interest in going to the ground. All right, let's go to the replay, Mike. This was well timed here. Just a beautiful slip and counter.
Keep working, letting him go a little bit.
Are you ready to fight? Are you ready?
We start round 2.
Come on, let's
This fight's scheduled for 5-minute rounds. Oh, big left hook.
Come on, baby, 1, 2. Go that way. Double gas, straight hook, let's go. Keep moving to the outside.
Trying to close the distance.
Turn him off when you can. Gotta break that clinch. Get him backing up and make
Look at the battle for control here.
Beautiful throw.
Great Greco-Roman right there, Joe. In the guard.
Work it now. Pass the head. Let's improve some position here, bud.
Nicely done, Joe. He's got good control of the back of the head, not allowing his opponent to posture up.
Stop. Stand up.
Referee's going to stand him up here. Good call.
Come on, head moving.
Let's see if it gets a little faster toe-to-toe. And he answers. Uh-oh, these are big strikes. Both guys staying in tight. Nice job, double leg.
Looking to pass.
Pushing his opponent away.
Oh, he lets him up.
Take your time. Nice and relaxed.
And now he's answered. Nice sprawl. Good takedown defense.
Double the jab.
1-6.
Stand in the middle.
Fast hands. Good battle inside.
Drags him to the ground.
Nicely done.
Come on.
Moves into full mount here.
Side control.
Half guard.
90 seconds remains in the second.
He's got half guard. And back to full guard.
You're okay.
Passes to half guard.
Stay out,
line was in that round. It seems like they were still in the feeling out process.
Okay. Are you ready to fight? Are you ready? And we are set for the start of round 3. This is a championship fight, so it is scheduled for 5-minute rounds. Oh, they're just throwing. Oh, they're exchanging here.
Punch and then move.
Nice leg kick. Nice body kick. And now Yamamoto is cut. What an exchange here. Trying to find the range. They clinch.
Heavy.
Oh, good counter. Stuffed.
Press forward.
Oh, nice left and a right.
Watch him trying to bait you.
Huge left and right.
Those are snapping his head back, Mike.
Back him up.
And he counters.
Oh, nice counter left hook right there.
Slips and counters. Good takedown defense.
Push forward.
Push kick.
Retreat.
Nice double leg.
Nice right hand.
Push him off line and move your
Able to
hands
pass
down.
to half guard. Passes to side control. Into half guard.
Side control again.
Oh, and punishing the midsection.
Half guard.
Let's see what he does from here, Joe.
Vicious haymakers from the top.
Oh!
Just keep picking on it.
He can't take many more of these, Joe.
Nice right hand. He ate that one. Pushes him off of the feet. He lets him up.
Good sprawl. Under a minute remains.
Double going.
Big knee.
Double up. Come on. Hands up. Little face.
Looking for the takedown. Nice sprawl. Good takedown defense.
Liberty overhead.
Nice punches. Don't do anything sloppy.
Stuffed.
Don't chase him.
He caught the kick. Got him takedown again.
Looking to posture up.
Get your feet
And that
on his
signifies the end of round 3 of this UFC title fight.
Joe, how would you have scored that round? That's one of those rounds that makes me glad I'm not a judge, Mike. Some good offense from both sides, but neither really did enough for a clear winner to stand out.
Are you ready to fight? Are you ready? 3 rounds in the books. Round 4 is underway.
Double jab, straight hook.
Beautiful hook.
Tap, go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 6, 7, short.
Nice leader shot in body. Drop down for a double.
Good takedown defense.
He's getting too comfortable.
Both guys staying in tight. Again, he takes him down.
3.5.
Yeah, he is just brutalizing his body here.
Under 3 minutes now.
Ready to move.
Body shot.
Go, move. Up and out. Halfway.
Pushing his opponent away.
He decides to let him up.
Relax here. You're fine. Relax here. Look at your position, bro. You're busy here.
Under 2 minutes remain.
Stay steady
Full
there.
mount.
This is not good.
Don't let those hands go.
Boom!
Big right hand. And into side control.
Man, he can't take many more of those, Joe. That's gonna break a rib sooner or later.
He's got half guard. Back to side control.
Body shot. Half guard. for the fifth and final round of this UFC title fight. Countering and scoring big time.
Control.
And now he's answered. Head kick. Another takedown. He ain't get one. Into half guard.
It gives you that Kimura stick.
And side control.
Dominant position here, Joe. And again.
He loves throwing that punch. Oh, we got tagged. Vicious punches from the top here, Mike. Well, it looked like he was hurt, and he snapped back really quick.
And the chance begins for Dominick Cruz. Under 3 minutes now.
Down with a good one.
Pushes him off of the feet, and he lets him back up.
Couple jabs if he's backing up.
They are exchanging here, Mike.
Right away. He misses, making face. Too straight. Patience. She's stepping the outside.
Swing and a miss.
Get inside.
Oh, they're just throwing.
Oh, they're exchanging here.
Got the double underhooks.
Keep going.
Huge uppercut, Joe.
Follow, pop the hand.
Both men scoring points here. Looking for the takedown. Good sprawl.
3 outside hard. 1, 2, let's go.
Nice knee.
And again.
Over and over again.
Good. That's a huge left hand.
Oh, big left hook.
He's out, Joe. Vicious. We have a new UFC bantamweight champion.
Yeah, look at this timing. Perfect accuracy, perfect position. Here we see it again, and that's it. Here we see it again. Excellent timing on the button.
Bruce Buffer has the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 59 seconds,